Question 23. Write the missing number to make this calculation correct. So we've got 11 times by the mystery number equals 1111. Well, actually, we need to work in reverse here. If we do 1111 divided by 11, we'll get the mystery number. Now, there are several ways we could do this. So we could do a very simple bush shelter method. Okay, so how many 11s go into 1? Well, it won't go. But I haven't used this 1 yet, so I'll carry it across to make 11. How many 11s go into 11? Is 1, with nothing left over. So how many 11s go into 1? That's none again. But I haven't used this 1, so I'll carry it over. And now we've got 11 again. How many 11s go into 11? So that's 1. Now, this may look complicated because there's lots of 1s and 0s, but actually, if you do it slowly, you've got your answer. So this basically means 101 because this is in the thousands column. This is hundreds, tens, and units. So the answer is going to be 101. So you can write that in there if you want. Another way you could do it is to say, well, actually, I know that 100 lots of 11 would be 1100. In other words, 1100. But this is an extra 11. So it's an extra 1 lot of 11. So 100 lots of 11 is 1100. 1 lot of 11 is 11. So I've got 100 lots plus an extra 1 lot. And 100 lots plus an extra 1 lot is 101 lots. So that's another way you could do it. The final way you could do it is to do a chunking method. You could say that, well, we know straight away that a chunk of 10 11s would be 110. But that would take us ages to keep subtracting 110s from 1,000. So we could just say 100 11s. So if I put my chunk of 100 11s here, okay, 100 11s are 1100. So we're subtracting that chunk. So 1 take away nothing is 1. 1 take away nothing is 1. 1 take away 1 is 0. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So we're actually down to just 11. So what chunk of 11s can I subtract from 11? It's just 1 chunk of 11, isn't it? So 1 chunk of 11 is 11. Take that away. 11 take away 11 is 0. And remember, that's the whole point of the chunking method. You're repeatedly subtracting chunks of 11 until you get down to 0. Once you get down to 0, you just add up your chunks. I've got a chunk of 100 and a chunk of 1. 100 add 1 is 101. Whichever way you think about it, the correct answer is 101.